also pack some mascara, eyelash curler, let's pack a lip liner, an eyebrow pen, and let me bring some mini face wash. Okay, and I've got a mini face wash and do we think this is travel size? I'm gonna go definitely no, right? Yeah, I'm gonna say this is way too big. I'll bring a Carmex, which I'll bring this in my bag. I feel like my bathroom bag is really empty, but it's fine. Oh, that'll be it. If I forget something, oh well. You know, I stop at like CVS or something. Hey guys, Starbucks.